Hello, friends. Welcome to day 10 of the Wisdom Insight from the book of Proverbs. I really trust you have been blessed by the previous series that have been done, right? The previous lessons that have been shared from Proverbs 1 to Proverbs 9. So today we'll be looking at the book of Proverbs chapter 10. So Proverbs chapter 10 verse 19, I'm looking at the Good News Translation. It says, the more you talk, the more likely you are to sin. If you are wise, you will keep quiet. The more you talk, the more likely you are to sin. If you're wise, you will keep quiet. Verse 21, a good person's words will benefit many people, but you can kill yourself with stupidity. All right, so it says the more you talk. Now, in our generation, people believe that talk right in this place may mean talk of the lips. But today people talk with their tongues. That moment you go online and instantly you want to comment at everything, you want to talk at everything, it begins to show the way you are. Most of the times, when you begin to savor and measure the things that you comment about, you talk about, you want to share about, you want to express, the challenges that you want to be part of, most of the times you realize that they are really not necessary. Every time before you talk, whether with your words or before you talk with your tongues, you must always ask if those words are necessary. Why should you share them? Should it be heard from you? Okay? And should you share it to those people? Do people really need to hear this from? So you must really take out time to understand whether it's best to keep quiet or it's best to talk about a particular issue when you begin to measure and evaluate. Another thing you must always find out is whenever you get angry, be careful on the words that come out of your mouth. Probably someone said something in a form, it seemingly looked like, oh, you want to begin to get aggravated. It's better you are silent at that moment, and when you are more calmer, then you can meet the person and express how you felt. Because most of the times when you speak out of the point of anger, you are likely to speak foolishly. Now, you will see that a good person's word will benefit many people, but you can kill yourself with stupidity. It takes wisdom for you to speak words that are good, because kind words have a way of changing life, have a way of transforming lives, have a way of making people feel more comfortable, have a way of making people like you more, love you more, refer you for greater opportunities and the likes. A lot of people have limited themselves from opportunities because of the words of their mouth. Most of the times, there is a saying that even a fool, I think in the Bible, even a fool, when he is silent, is considered wise. You must not be willing to speak at every matter. You must see by your word, think and process it correctly before you express it out. That's the way the wise behave. That's the way the nobles and the kings behave. Most times when you go for the meeting between the kings and the chief, most of the times you'll see the king always listening. He listens first, gets ideas from every other person, and then he then expresses. It's the wisdom of kings, and you must be willing to express that wisdom because you are noble. Till I come your way again tomorrow and share from the book of Proverbs 11, utilize this practical wisdom. Keep making your life better and better daily until you move from one level of glory to the other. Till I come your way again, remain exceptional. Cheers.